From the highest throne of heaven comes a voice that shakes the ground. Every kingdom, every empire, at his feet shall all be found. No crown can stand before him, no scepter holds its power. When the King above all kingdoms claims his sovereign See the rulers of the nations trembling at his holy name. Every president and monarch cannot stand before his flame. Pharaohs bow their heads in terror, Caesars fall upon their face. When the King of endless glory shows his sovereign grace, Yahweh, before you every knee shall bend. Adonai, your kingdom has